Hey guys, I'm here again to unbox and try another lippy. So this is another Korean brand. So I think ang pangalan ng brand is Holika. And this is their Water Vibe tint. So I'm guessing this is a lip tint and number 3 yung color and splat yung nakalagay. I'm gonna open it. Let's see how it looks like. Ooh, super cute. Oh, ay, cute. Guys, tingnan nyo. Para siyang water droplet yung shape. Tapos, I don't know, nakalagay tint, but it looks like a solid, like a lipstick. But let's see how it applies. So, I'm just gonna put konti lang kasi, yan. So, oh, wow. Super red niya, guys. So, ako maglagay ako ng tint, guys, dito lang sa gitna and sa ilalim. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Medyo dark siya, no? Medyo dark siya. Kasi ayoko ng sobrang overpowering and super obvious. So, I'm just gonna put it here. This is kinda nice. I mean, siguro after a couple of hours, mag-fade siya and I think perfect lang yung color. So, let's see how this looks like in another lighting. So, ayan siya, guys. So, this is Holika Water Vibe Tint, right? And then, number 3, splat yung color niya. So, yeah. Super cute. I like it. So, pag in-apply mo siya sa lips mo, guys, para talaga siyang tint. Hindi siya, it doesn't feel like a lip balm. So, wow. This is nice. This is cute. Alright, guys. I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me on Basta Acne DMD. Bye!